Welcome in Keith Townsend, Global Advisor, Futurum Group. Keith, thank you so much for joining us this morning. I want to hear about your reaction initially to Google Alphabet's latest results. They beat on revenue, more than $90 billion, adjusted EPS 281 a share. They had strength across a variety of metrics. Let's start out with what you liked from their report.
Yeah, you know what? First off, thanks for having me, Diane. I'm super excited about Google's crown jewel for this report, Google Cloud. Let's dig into those numbers just a little bit more. 28% year-over-year growth, $12.3 billion in revenue for the quarter. It would be a pretty good business standalone outside of the larger Alphabet numbers, but I have to double check this number. $900 million in income the previous year quarter, $2.2 billion in income. It's a growing business. It is absolutely the poster child, the crown jewel for Google's AI strategy moving forward. They're just hitting on all cylinders.
Okay, Keith, you said they're hitting on all cylinders. Now, look, in terms of YouTube ad revenue, that came in a little lighter than expected. Does that worry you at all?
No, that doesn't worry me at all. I think Google is really focused on their overall AI strategy, their enterprise strategy, and this will feed into some of the other services. So as we think about these overall, the carry-on effect from getting better AI, Gemini, the 2.5 model that they just came out with, outstanding model, is competing well with OpenAI. It is going to it's going to enhance the YouTube experience, it's going to enhance the Gmail experience overall. There will be a carry-on effect from this heavy investment in AI.
Okay, so AI is obviously a key focus for it, but I do want to address one thing that has been a recent headwind for the company that is, unique to the company, the antitrust suits that it's got in front of it. And they lost one piece of that here in the U.S., and there was the expectation that they wouldn't lose that. And this is the allegations of them holding a legal monopoly for the online ad market. How big of an issue do you see that being for Alphabet Google?
Yeah, we're really early on in this fight. This could have been put to rest relatively soon with the first layer of this court case, but we know that regardless of the outcome, this is going to be an extended battle between Google and the government. This is going to be a multi-year fight, similar to, we've seen this play before with Microsoft in the 90s with their antitrust suit. The government is loath to really break up companies anymore, a la AT&T of the 70s and 80s. These cases take some time, and I'm not overly concerned today. This will take a few years to play out.
Okay, it'll take some time to play out. I mean, and you're right. Look, these antitrust cases usually take some time because it's a legal matter and always takes time to work through the court system. But let's talk about your expectations for the road ahead. We've got several members of the Mag 7 reporting next week. We've got Apple on tap, Meta on tap, Microsoft, just to name a few of those. What are you looking to hear from those?
Yeah, I'm looking to hear where they're, especially for the Microsofts of the world, their Azure cloud stack, their overall AI strategy. They bet big on OpenAI. Has that paid off? Apple has really disappointed when it comes to their AI strategy. Have they benefited at all from this Apple intelligence? This is the time where AI kind of hits the road. Google has set the standard for what AI investment should lead to when it comes to return. Have the other Mac 7 seen similar return?
Okay, all right. We'll certainly got a lot to chew on next week. A ton of earnings coming up as we close out what has been quite a busy April. All right, Keith, thank you so much. Our thanks to Keith Townsend, Global Advisor, Futurum Group.